as you can see at the back is my income at YouTube. Yes, since all of you guys are active and full-time working on Facebook, so be with me always. So I will teach you how to earn money, not only here in Facebook, and I will teach you how to earn 28,000 Facebook family. Thank you guys for the love and support that you are giving to me. So now we already reached 28,000. So guys, as you can see at the back is my income at YouTube. Yes, since all of you guys are active and full-time working on Facebook, so be with me always. So I will teach you how to earn money, not only here in Facebook, and I will teach you how to earn money also in YouTube. So be with me always and watch my all video, because I'm discussing about the monetization policy of Facebook and monetization policy of YouTube. Yes, it's not only that you sign up and you make your account, then you uploaded your video. No, you need to follow the community guidelines of Facebook or YouTube, so that in order to monetize and to earn money. So in that case guys, I'm here with you and I will teach you how to monetize and to earn money here in Facebook. So I posted this one not to brag you, but to inspire to all of you, since you are full-time working on Facebook. So why you are not work also on YouTube, so that if you are monetized, and of course it will generate income, and it help us to earn money. So for example, I'm doing YouTube tutorial, so whatever I make in YouTube tutorial and here in Facebook, so I'm uploading as well at YouTube. And for my page also, I'm uploading the travel blog, and of course I'm using the licensed music from Facebook, and I re-edit again that video, and I put the sounds collection from the YouTube, of course, before I re-upload to my YouTube channel, of course. So they have some rules in Facebook and YouTube. It's not allowed that the music that you are using in Facebook with licensed music of Facebook, then you re-upload also in YouTube. No, it's different guys, because YouTube has a licensed music from YouTube as well in their YouTube collection. So be always with me, and time to time I will teach you how to monetize here, not only here in Facebook but in YouTube also. And this is guys my YouTube channel, Kabayan in Dubai. And if you are monetized, we can engage there also, and you can subscribe me if you want. And then time to time I will teach you on how to earn money on YouTube, because you know, since we are uploading video or content here in Facebook, so why we are not bring also in YouTube, so that if in case we are monetized, that video that we posted there, it will generate income. So I hope you understand my tutorial for today. So please don't forget to follow or subscribe for more update about the monetization policy of Facebook and YouTube. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.